want you to give. Lately I've been a little better, yeah. Wish you would.
Today's video is a collaboration with Ashimary hair. They sent me over this reddish brown type of ginger wig. I will link it down below if you're interested. And these are all the things that came in the packaging. They have this nice headband with a little air thing so your ear is not like burning you. They put some pins, some eyelashes, a little bit of information about their company and the wig. They also have this hair tie and this little bow that I'm going to be using today. But first we have to install. So these are some extra clear adjustable bands that they have in the wig in case yours pop or you lose them. They did put some tape if you need that, and some information about this wig. So this is their 360 wig and it is that ginger color. They put a bonnet and a robe. This is their 26-inch, and I'm just showing you the inside of the wig. It does not have any combs. It does have a comb in the back, but I don't know where it is right now, so yeah. And then you can see the adjustable strings, elastics, and the adjustable band that they add in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my regular install. So I'm gonna play some music and then I'll come back to talk to you guys at the end.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me.
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time. I don't know if you doing
only roll like once. Life move fast and do what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I'd up myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Wondering why, no, you ain't shy, focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I can't, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on?
Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this. Wake up back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. It was pretty self-explanatory. I mean, all the videos are pretty self-explanatory, but if you're following along with this video to do your edges or just the hairstyle, thank you so much. If you got to this part in the video, make sure you leave a comment down below. Don't forget to check out Ashimary Hair. I will link the wig down below and some more information about their company. And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking me out, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.